Alright, I had to fix a chain on a bike. Okay, let's go ahead and put this thing on. Man, those freaking holes just don't want to line up right. I just had the damn thing on there. There it is. Whew. So, these wires come off and they go out one side like that. Yeah, they went like this. Right like so. Not sure how they freaking routed so nicely, but I'll put a zip tie on that. So, next step, let's go ahead and put these nuts on. Easier said than done. Okay. After all this, that's the best step is hooking 12 volts on this joker and seeing what the hell happens. Again, I've never done anything with a motor with brushes like this, so I don't know. And the logic seems to be there. Clearly, when I opened it up, the brush was broken. Logic says that's what caused it to fail. Now, what made the relay fail seems kind of weird, because if the relay failed, this fan would have never worked anyway. Okay. Put that like that. So I believe the next step is to put the fan on. Oop, collar nut. Or whatever the hell that is. Collar. Shaft collar, I guess. Okay, and then this is going to sit right on there. What's preventing it from going down? Oh, no. Oh, maybe this is upside down. That doesn't make any sense, though. Because this needs to get down onto that. It's holding me up here. I have a feeling that there's, if I put this on here, that I could probably pull that up. Oh, it's a reverse thread. There we go. I have a feeling that this whole thing comes up some. No, it does not. I feel like, yeah, this needs to come out a little bit. I'm not so sure. Yeah, because the bottom of this has no play to it at all. Huh. So where did I go wrong, I wonder? Let me go get a good pair of, like a vice grip, I mean a vice grip or something like that, so I can see if I can't pull. 'Cause I feel like it's pushing down, but it should also come up too. Huh. Interesting. a whole lot of places to have gone wrong with this. Not sure what I want to do here. I guess we're going to take it back apart, unfortunately. And we're going to figure out where we went wrong, I guess. Oh, you dirty dog. Oh, you know, that was a good sound. There we go. Well, I guess we'll see where we went wrong, and then we will learn to not do that again. I'm going to take a break for a second. I gotta actually do